Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials: your account, license, and app version. Once done, update the software to the latest stable build because many features are gated by version. Make sure you have the correct role and that the admin feature toggle is turned on. Missing permissions are the common blocker. If you can, reproduce the missing feature on a secondary test account to narrow whether this is account-specific or system-wide. Now dive into diagnostics. Check logs for error codes and correlation ID because they point to the subsystem failing. Next, compare config files and environment variables across working and failing environments to spot differences and correct mismatches. Once identified, replicate the exact working configuration. Additionally, disable browser extensions, proxies, or custom scripts to eliminate local interference. To finish, apply your configuration fixes, clear caches, and restart the client and backend services so changes take effect. Then validate the feature with a simple test case to ensure it behaves as expected, and monitor logs for regressions for at least one release cycle. If the feature still fails, collect a diagnostics package, logs, screenshots, steps to reproduce, and correlation ID, and escalate to support. One key tip: retry with a fresh profile to rule out cached state causing the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.